Welcome to the Friday Focus. My name is Dr. O from E&S Orthodontics, and today I'm going to be going over two things. And the first thing that I wanted to talk about is, and something that we're really excited, you might have seen our Facebook post about our Jumpstreet event coming up on June 1st and June 2nd. And you're going to be getting an email out. We're going to send out an email, and we want you to register for the thing and bring as many friends as you want to the event. And it's a big patient appreciation night. We're going to have some prizes, we're going to have food, and then you're going to be able to jump around on the trampolines at the Jumpstreet event. And so we're going to be holding two events on 2 days. In Chandler, we're going to be holding it on June 1st from 6 to 8. And so you can go to our website and register at esorthodontics.com and /Jumpstreet. And then the second event is going to be on June 2nd, which is going to be in Peoria, and we're going to have two sessions. We're going to have the first sessions from 5 to 7, and the second session is going to be from 7:30 to 9:30. We put two Facebook posts up, and we already had 120 people register for the event, so we're really excited. That was a couple days ago, so please look out for an email, and please go online and register. And you can also register in the office and ask us about the event, okay? So the second thing that I wanted to talk about was I wanted to give a little clarification to last week's Friday Focus, in which I talked about Propel Technology. And I was talking about it in a way that I was sharing with you that it could actually allow us to help move your orthodontic treatment a little faster. And one of the things that maybe got confusing was actually the process in which it occurs. And so one of the things I talked about was using a topical anesthetic. And for people that don't know what a topical anesthetic is, it's just a cream that goes over the gum tissue, and we actually don't use needles to use the Propel technology. And so what happens is we will use a topical anesthetic, and then we're able to do little micro perforations, or like little micro perforations or micro incisions into the gum tissue. And because we're using that topical anesthetic, patients usually don't feel anything, and that's sort of where I was coming from when I was saying it was painless. And so the question was also, how does Propel make orthodontic treatment faster? And so what happens is when we create that little perforation in the gum tissue, what it does is it sort of creates these like little sort of cracks, or like sort of little vibrations in the bone that allow the teeth to actually start to move faster. And so it's those perforations that occur in the bone that actually propagate the tooth to actually move faster. So that's a technical way of saying is that we're, it's like creating like a little spider web in the bone, and then the teeth will actually then start to initiate and move a little bit faster. And so what happens is the Propel technology allows us to actually create that like spider web effect in the bone that allows the teeth to move faster. Then the other question was asked, what patients would be candidates for this, or who should we use Propel technology on? And to be frank, it's honestly really available to any child or any adult who, where we're wanting to have the treatment move a little bit quicker. So there's really no one's really excluded from the technology. And so if you do have a question related to it, or if you want to see if you're a candidate, please ask me, or ask Dr. Saavedra, or ask one of our staff members and our clinical team, and they'll be able to guide you in terms of letting you know whether that will work for you. And then the question was, is there any extra cost to it? And there is. It's a nominal cost, and my staff, my team members can go over that with you. And the question was, why haven't we done this before? The technology's been around for about 10 to 12 years, and one of the things that we, with technology, there's a time and place for fitting that into the orthodontic practice. And one of the things that now there's a higher demand for people to get their orthodontic treatment done quicker. And so we've introduced over the last 2 years some technologies that have actually made orthodontic treatment faster. And one was we were using custom braces that we introduced about 1.5 years to 2 years ago. And then we also started doing Accel-A-Dent in the practice, in our office. And so this is just the third part, or this is the third step, which gives you another alternative to actually have your orthodontic treatment done quicker. So we're just looking at and evolving our office to make sure that we can meet your demands for faster treatment. So hopefully this gives you some clarification around Propel. And if you do have any questions, please give us a call or ask me the next time you come in. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you next week. And don't forget to register for the Jumpstreet event. We're really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. There is limited capacity, so register today, okay?